On October 14th, an annular eclipse is set to grace the skies of the Western Hemisphere. This celestial spectacle promises a unique experience as the moon, positioned farther from Earth than during a total eclipse, will partially obscure the sun, creating a mesmerizing ring of fire effect against a darkened backdrop. The eclipse's journey commences in Oregon, USA, and carves a path through the southwestern states before exiting along the Texas coastline. It then crosses the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, ventures through Central America, and dips into Colombia. Finally, it traverses the Amazon basin, concluding its remarkable voyage along Brazil's eastern coast. For this cosmic event, thousands of enthusiastic tourists are flocking to the path of annularity, eagerly anticipating the awe-inspiring display. Many describe witnessing eclipses as deeply spiritual experiences, connecting them to the cosmos in profound ways. However, amidst the excitement and anticipation, there's one place where eager spectators cannot venture to watch: the vast desert lands of Navajo Nation. This indigenous territory spans Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah, and offers a stunning backdrop for viewing the celestial ring of fire. On September 15th, Navajo Nation Parks and Recreation announced the closure of all parks during the eclipse to honor traditional beliefs and practices. Navajo look at the universe as holistic, explains David Begay, a cultural astronomer and vice president of the Indigenous Education Institute. For the Navajo people, the alignment of the planet, moon, and sun during eclipses represents a single cycle within an interconnected cosmic order. This perspective highlights the deep spiritual and cultural significance that celestial events hold for Indigenous communities. The closure of Navajo parks serves as a reminder for non-native tourists to be respectful when visiting sacred Indigenous lands and sites. It underscores the importance of acknowledging and preserving the traditions and beliefs of Indigenous peoples. As people across the Americas prepare to witness the eclipse, it's also an opportunity to reflect on the rich history and traditions of those who have called these lands home for centuries. From the canyons of the American Southwest to the pyramids of Mexico and Central America, and the rainforests of Brazil, the stars, planets, and other celestial bodies have played pivotal roles in the lives and cultures of Indigenous communities. This annular eclipse not only offers a celestial spectacle, but also an invitation to walk in two worlds: one where science and astronomy intersect with ancient traditions and beliefs. It's a reminder of the enduring connection between humanity and the cosmos, bridging the past and the present in a celestial dance that transcends time. As you prepare to witness this remarkable event, take a moment to not only gaze at the ring of fire in the sky, but also to honor the cultural and spiritual significance it holds for the Indigenous peoples of the Americas.